Yeah, so you first want to say that, okay, what came out yesterday? I think Bajaj Auto came out yesterday, and what I like about Bajaj Auto numbers is that EV is now accounting for 22% of the domestic turnover. 22% of the turnover for a company which came out like, I mean, Rajiv Bajaj was always in this denial mode, that famous point which he made, oats. Champions eat oats for breakfast. We'll never move into EV. But then he realized the customer wants EV. He came into EV and he's managed to make it 25% of the total business. And he's not a weak number 2 or a number 3. He's like really strong there in terms of what he's done. So these are good set of numbers. In line, when it comes to top line, 7-8% growth. The stock I think has corrected. Bajaj Auto, please. You're not talking Tata Motors. Tata Motors baad mein aayega. And that is Bajaj Finance. Okay, pardon us. Little bit of bug in the system, if I may say so. So these are good set of numbers. Not too many upgrades, not too many downgrades. But these numbers pretty much tell you that the trajectory for Bajaj Auto is now going to be decent in terms of what they're doing in terms of EV. And frankly, whatever they'd indicated in terms of the sluggishness which everyone thought in the two-wheeler space was coming, I think that is not bad at all. So these are numbers which are in line with the marginal positive, and with the real underlying appeal for me is the EV business. And as things progressively get better, I think the export engine, because of the currency advantage, would also be very decent. Then there is Bajaj Finance, and this is a classic. You know what Bajaj Finance has done in terms of lending. You know what the quarterly numbers from Bajaj Finance would look like, because you have got that quarterly update right at the beginning of the month. So in terms of a surprise, the surprise may not be that large. But are we reaching that turn where Bajaj Finance, looking at the compulsion of the market, which is that large cap stocks are up, liquidity is coming back, it's a stock which has been 3-4 years, it has done nothing. Could Bajaj Auto really get a leg up because of this, positioning of the market? So for me, that is the important one, which is that if numbers are marginally better, I expect the outperformance which Bajaj Finance has suddenly registered in last couple of days, that would be real. In terms of the growth of AUM, credit, I think all that is out in the open, because they've already shared that when they indicated or informed exchanges about the quarterly performance right at the beginning of the month.